Hello, today I'm in Honda Civic. In this video I'll show you how to find maintenance info. In the beginning, let's press mini button on the steering wheel and take a look at the screen display. Now let's find vehicle info, enter it and go to maintenance info. As you can see right here, we've got all maintenance info with the type of the maintenance signed as a letter. It can be either A, B or AB27 and days until the maintenance. If you want to reset the maintenance info, press the source button on the steering wheel and select yes. But I won't recommend it because after every maintenance they will do it manually for you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.